4 main rules of a leader, a manager, or a supervisor. Okay? Number 1 main rule, planning. So a leader or the manager or the supervisor must be the in charge of the planning. Plano. Sa kanya dapat ang plano, utak niya mismo dapat ang gagana sa team. Okay? Number 2, organizing. So, after merong plano, and then a leader, a manager, or the supervisor must be or must have to organize the plan. Okay? So, planning, organizing. After that, the number 3 main rule of a leader or the manager or a supervisor, he or she must have the in charge to implementing. Okay, implement. So, after you have plan, after you organize, number 3, you must have to implement. Let's say, okay, player number 1, dito ka. Player number 2, dito ka. And then you must have to do this and to do that. So, dapat nandun yung implementing. And then, the last main rule of a leader or a supervisor or the manager is the control or controlling. Okay, after you have plan, after you organize, after you implement, you must have to control or controlling. Kasi kung hindi mo makokontrol kung ano man ang pinlano mo, kung ano man ang inorganize mo, at ano man ang inimplement mo, all of those or all of that will be in vain or futile, useless. So dapat marunong ka mag-control. Okay? Ulitin ko, 4 main rules of a leader: planning, organizing, implementing, and then control or controlling. Okay? Mindset.